Making your first 500K may feel like a lofty goal, but it's entirely achievable with the right strategies, mindset, and commitment. The journey to wealth is not reserved for the elite. It's about taking deliberate, consistent actions that compound over time. Let's dive into how you can set yourself on the path to your first $500,000. Start with a clear plan. Every great achievement begins with a solid plan. Start by defining your financial goals and breaking them into smaller, actionable steps. Ask yourself, what's my timeline for reaching 500K? How much do I need to save, earn, and invest each year? What resources or skills do I need to acquire? This clarity will guide your decisions, keeping you focused and motivated even when challenges arise. Maximize your income. Increasing your income is a crucial step in building wealth. While it's important to manage what you already earn, growing your income stream is where the real magic happens. Here's how to approach it. Advance in your career. Invest in your education or training to climb the ladder in your current job. Seek promotions, negotiate raises, and position yourself as indispensable in your industry. Start a side hustle. Identify skills or hobbies that can be monetized. Freelancing, online teaching, or starting a small business can add significant income over time. Create passive income. Invest in assets like rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or digital products that generate revenue without constant involvement. Master the art of saving. Wealth isn't just about how much you make, it's also about how much you keep. Adopt a lifestyle that aligns with your long-term goals and be disciplined about saving. Consider paying yourself first. Allocate a portion of your income to savings before spending on other expenses. Cutting unnecessary costs. Track your expenses and eliminate non-essential spending. Even small changes like reducing dining out can lead to significant savings over time. Building an emergency fund. Ensure you're financially secure by saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. Invest wisely. Savings alone won't get you to 500K. Investing is essential to growing your wealth. Here's how to approach it strategically. Stock market. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs. They're diversified and offer consistent growth over the long term. Real estate. Consider purchasing rental properties or exploring REITs, real estate investment trusts, for stable returns. Alternative assets. Explore investments like cryptocurrency, peer-to-peer lending, or even fine art, but only after thorough research. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more you'll benefit from compound growth. Develop a growth mindset. Building wealth is as much about psychology as it is about strategy. Cultivate a mindset of abundance and focus on long-term gains rather than short-term rewards. Learn from successful investors, stay curious, and continuously educate yourself on financial literacy. Setbacks are lessons. Every financial challenge is an opportunity to grow. Learn from mistakes and use them to refine your strategy. Be patient. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick to your plan and let time work in your favor. Network and learn from others. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you to succeed. Attend financial workshops, join investment groups, and seek mentors who've achieved the milestones you're aiming for. Their insights and experiences can save you time and help you avoid costly mistakes. Automate and optimize your finances. Take advantage of technology to streamline your journey. Use budgeting apps. Tools like Mint or YNAB help you track spending and stick to your financial goals. Automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA to maximize tax benefits. Stay committed to your goal. Finally, consistency is the cornerstone of wealth building. Even if progress feels slow, remember that every small action compounds over time. Celebrate milestones no matter how small and keep your eyes on the prize. By focusing on earning, saving, investing, and maintaining a growth-oriented mindset, you'll position yourself to reach that coveted 500K milestone. The path may not be easy, but with dedication and smart strategies, it's entirely within your grasp.